Greens, fellow traders, Bob Blood here, and it's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, July the 7th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's take a look and see where we left off with the market here today. So SPX down 34 points, but still a green month here. Weekly chart, starting to turn a little bit red here. Kind of a shooting star type look to it. But again, still a pretty narrow range, and we're still pretty early in the week. The big thing is that SPX did its job, right? It filled this open gap here on the bulls did their job, basically. They filled the open gap here on the island reversal top here. And then today they tried to push above it back into it, and then got rejected. It got shut down there. But that's okay, right? We're still holding a lot of key levels just over the 80 NMA, right? And we're just in the trend box right now. It's kind of chopping around. So let's take a look at the SPY and see how that did here today. And we also get some good setups, right? So SPY had a pullback here today, and it gave we got some good, nice indications, some good trades in the group, right? We were long at the open, we were short at the close, and it did give us some nice clues on that one. We were testing to see how it held the 15 orb high here, and then we took a couple shorts here in the group. We took a nice short here on this candle to get down to the 15 orb low, and then we pointed out at the close a nice short opportunity here on the SPY as we saw the S&P futures were breaking down. So that gave us some nice moves here today, and a great day too in the Discord. If you're not in the group, you should check it out. It's a really good one. Great community, and we all come up with great trades intraday too. So and keep each other company in some of the chop areas too. So, but good stuff here. We see stuff set up. So really interesting how this megaphone is actually playing out. Right, we got to this level right here, bounce. We're actually kind of getting down to these low levels right here, which is also corresponding with a major rally zone right here on the ES. Let's take a look at the MES here and see how that holds going into the rest of the evening. So again, big drop here today, right? So nice move right there. We had a good short in the group here today, a couple of them that we pointed out. So nice move right there. So let's see how that goes into tonight and where we end up tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at the Qs and see how they behave today. So really, once things started to get bearish, once the Qs started to turn red, right, we really started to get kind of bearish on the market overall, right? So these are, once they pushed down, right, we had this kind of inverse head, or this head and shoulders, sideways head and shoulders right here, which kind of started the down move. A little kind of compressed moves, but the rallies, were shortable into the end of the day. So nice stuff there. The IWM, again, also challenging. It didn't stay above the 15 orb very long, kind of got below it there at the end of the day. Apple. Okay, so Apple is good. We had some nice trades at the open, right? Good push up here, right? And then it ended up working its way down. Actually, some good short opportunities on it at the end of the day on Apple. Tesla, of course, gets a little bit tricky, right? We try not to short it, right? Give a nice rally opportunity right here. Triangle breakdown, which was a fast one. But they bought it back up really quickly, so just always something to be careful with on the intraday with Tesla. So a couple other ones that were interesting that were on our radar today and moved. So Nikola, this was on our swing radar for the last couple days on the short side. So this was a good one here. If you go to the daily chart, right, you can see a nice breakdown right here. Came out of the bear flag inside day and worked its way down all the way to the 50-day. It's inside this open gap right now. So let's see how that goes going into if it's got any more downside room to it. But a nice push down on Nikola the last couple days. UAL, this is a great short opportunity for us at the open. So we like how it broke down right away, gave a nice move. So we caught this candle right here, right? Then it rallied again, gave another short opportunity on that one. Also, the banks were weak today. WFC was one that traders liked in the group. So inside 15 down, right, for a nice move out of the 15 orb here, and then it got really kind of pushed down on its lows there on WFC today. Twitter was one that was on the bullish radar again, very, very similar to yesterday, right? Big push up at the open, and then kind of pull back and relax. Big push at the open, pull back and relax. And what we liked about this one is how it pushed through this geometric line. Now, it ended up leaving an upper shadow right there, so we weren't too confident overnight, but it gave some nice intraday moves on Twitter. And then finally, let's take a look at Walmart. So Walmart had the big news today that they're coming out with a kind of a competing prime type product. I liked how it closed above these levels, and it closed above the above the cloud high right here. Now, it's done these type of candles before, right? So big moves, right? And then but let's see where we open tomorrow and see what it has in store. Walmart is not a big momentum mover, right? It'll give you a big move and then it'll pull back a little bit. It'll give you a big move and then pull back a little bit. So if anything, we want to see if it can give us like a pause day tomorrow and then maybe try to get another move. We'll see if we get any upgrades into that going into then. So other than that, it sounds like Disney's making a little bit of a move here. That was kind of an interesting one. So it got a little pop after hours. So a doji here over the ADMA and gave a little bit of a pop here after hours. So let's see if that gets any movement into the after hours. So good stuff, guys. Well, I hope everybody has a great rest of your evening, and we'll see you guys on the free YouTube live stream at 9:30. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first, and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys.